G'day guys, my name's Russell and welcome to Kap Industries. This little video is the installation procedure for our Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a new Toyota Prado 250, but it's also the same for the Lexus GL 550, I think it's called. The procedure is so easy. You just remove the two front seat bolts, attach your fire extinguisher onto the bracket, lift the seat and slip this under, put the bolts back in. It takes 5 minutes, only a couple of tools you require, 8mm spanner and a T50 Torx bit. Let's go do it. Like we mentioned, these are the tools that you require. Just a ratchet with a T50 Torx bit. That's this little guy here that will go on these bolts. And a couple of 8mm spanners. That's so you can do up the M5 nuts and bolts that are supplied with the bracket. Just here. Just remove those two front seat bolts. In the video today, we're installing the single latch fire extinguisher mount that we have on the website. But again, you can use any fire extinguisher, just always ensure it has a metal cage. The metal cage attaches to the bracket. This one here has a little safety pin. You pull that out, open the latch, slide it out, and you attach this onto the Kap Industries bracket. All right, once you've attached your extinguisher cage on, then you come in and you lift the front of the seat up and slip the bracket under. And you'll see that it's got a big section here, but that's to clear a couple of the supports that are located under the feet of the front seat. And then it just clicks in place, just like that. And then the bolts go back in, nice and easy. Always tighten them up by hand before driving them down so you don't cross thread them. As we said, do them up by hand first and then drive them down so that they're nice and tight. Then, once it's all tightened up, slip the extinguisher into its cage and clip it all up. One thing to note is that this little pin can rattle and be a bit annoying. So one thing I like to do is just put a little bit of electrical tape over the top of it, just so it stops that rattling. Job done. Looks great. All right, well, thank you so much for watching our little video. As you can see, the procedure is super easy, takes only about 5 minutes, and it looks great inside the car. It will interfere with the seat going all the way forward though. But for the majority of the time, you know, you're probably only sitting in about this position usually. So if you need to go all the way forward, just take the extinguisher out and press it over, and that will be able to allow you to go further forward if you're cleaning, etc. But thanks so much for watching. If you want to have a look at any of our other products, just check out the link down below. Thank you.